How to make a woman miss you, even if she's not interested. You've been told to chase harder when she pulls away. That's exactly why she loses interest. The uncomfortable truth: women don't miss men who chase them. They miss men who create powerful presence even in their absence. Chasing makes you too available. Your texts, calls, and effort become predictable and cheap. She stops craving you because she already has you. But when you pull back with self-respect, not anger, not games, something shifts. Silence creates curiosity. Mystery triggers her mind to think about you when you're not around. Psychology shows scarcity increases desire. When your attention becomes rare, it suddenly feels valuable. Stop competing for her attention. Stop replying instantly. Stop canceling your life for her. Live fully. Give her space to feel your absence. That space is where missing begins. Women don't miss the nice guy who begs. They miss the man who has the strength to walk away and let her feel what life is like without him.